Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and the powerful tools offered by Azure OpenAI Service. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, it's crucial to stay ahead of the game and harness the power of AI to create innovative applications. So let's get started. First off, what exactly is Azure OpenAI Service? It's a cloud-based platform that allows developers to easily build, deploy, and manage AI applications. With its powerful infrastructure and intuitive interface, it's the perfect solution for businesses and individuals looking to incorporate AI into their projects. Now, here's the key insight. With Azure OpenAI Service, you don't need to be an AI expert to create powerful applications. That's right, you don't need a PhD in computer science or years of experience in AI development. The platform's user-friendly tools and pre-built models make it accessible to anyone with basic coding knowledge. So whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner looking to expand your skills, Azure OpenAI Service has got you covered. But what kind of applications can you build with this service? Well, the possibilities are endless. From chatbots to image recognition, speech translation to sentiment analysis, Azure OpenAI Service offers a wide range of AI capabilities to suit your needs. And the best part, you can easily integrate these applications into your existing projects thanks to its seamless compatibility with other Azure services. Now, you may be wondering, what sets Azure OpenAI Service apart from other AI platforms? One of its biggest strengths is its scalability. As your AI application gains more users and data, the platform can easily handle the increased workload without any disruptions. Plus, with its pay-as-you-go pricing model, you only pay for what you use, making it a cost-effective option for businesses of all sizes. So, whether you're a developer looking to create cutting-edge AI applications or a business looking to stay ahead of the curve, Azure OpenAI Service is the perfect solution for you. And with Fastlane as your global IT training partner, you can easily master this powerful platform and take your skills to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Start building AI applications with Azure OpenAI Service today and join the future of technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech training and updates. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.